How to reset Huntington password or user ID. Let's get started. For that, first of all, simply open up your web browser and then in the search bar, simply search for huntington.com. Once you search for it, their official page is going to open up. Just like that, inside their page, tap on login button. And now at the bottom of the login page, you will see two options: forgot username or forgot password. If you have forgotten your user ID or username, you can simply tap on forgot username and then you'll be prompted to enter your email address associated with your account. You can simply type in the email address and then click on continue, and then you will receive your user ID in your email box. Next, if you have forgotten your password, you can simply select forgot password and then you will be asked to enter your username and your SSN number. After entering this information, simply tap on continue and then you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Huntington will send you a link via email to reset your password. Follow the link and the on-screen instruction to reset your password. That is how you can reset Huntington password or user ID. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.